Are you looking for more money heading into retirement? Then this video is definitely for you. After watching this video, you're going to learn about this creative strategy that's going to have more money for your retirement without having any additional monthly payments. And it's all going to begin right after this. Hi everyone, I'm Josh Tavares, Realtor with eXp Realty covering the Greater Toronto Area. It would mean so much if you can help us out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on our newly uploaded content. And if you want access to our seller's guide, comment seller's guide down below and I'll send that your way. And without further ado, let's begin. The creative strategy in today's video is actually a reverse mortgage and much different than what you're typically accustomed to. It's essentially getting a lump sum of money for what the property is appraised for at the time of receiving the funds and qualifies for those who are 55 years of age and older. Now, reverse mortgage will provide you 55% of what the home is valued today, tax-free cash while still living in your home today. You don't have to make any payments whatsoever until you've sold or moved out of the home. And given that this product is more specialized towards an older demographic, it becomes harder to acquire lending, and why this is a fantastic opportunity for homeowners to be able to receive a cash flow amount right up front without having to make any payments whatsoever, whether they want to for retirement, improvements on the home, they want to consolidate debt, and so much more. Now, the qualifying factors are essentially your age, the appraised value of the home, the location, and the type of home. This allows you the opportunity to acquire equity into your property without having to move or downsize. With the reverse mortgage, you still own the property, can still live in the property, and are on title on the property as long as you're still living and own the property. With the reverse mortgage, you still own the property and have your name on title as well. And you'll never be forced to move out of your home whether the value or the income of the property changes. If you're about to get your home appraised and your home's worth about $1 million, you'll get just north of about $500,000 upfront in cash. And let's say you sell your home in the future for about $2 million plus. You are only going to have to pay the amount that you had initially received the loan for, and the additional equity of the property increasing in value over time will be given back to you or your beneficiaries. No matter if the property goes up or down in value, you just have to keep maintaining the property and also paying for taxes, and it's all good. With limited income and high cost of living, this is a fantastic way to receive additional income without having to make any additional payments. As long as you still live in the home, you don't have to repay the loan back. Like I stated, after the home is sold, any additional equity is yours or your beneficiaries to enjoy. Once you receive the fund, it's completely up to you what you want to do with the money. Fees associated with a reverse mortgage are closing fees, legal fees, as well as appraisal fees. Chances are your home has gone up substantially throughout the years and giving you a ton amount of equity, which you could use for additional income, given that things become fixed with high cost of living taking place. With these funds, you can go about buying a second property, using it for vacation or debt consolidation. Anything that you want with the funds are provided to you based on the equity that you've received from the loan and reverse mortgage. This is a great opportunity for you to receive additional income while still living in the home, still owning the home without being forced out or having to make any substantial monthly payments at the time of receiving those funds. You can receive the funds however you feel like. You could have a small amount every month. You could have all of it up front, whichever works best for you in your situation. For most reverse mortgage clients, once the funds have been completely paid off, the additional equity tends to go back to the heirs of the estate. I will say that the interest rates on these type of lending products, even the more specialized, tend to have a higher interest rate attached to them. If the loan has been paid back within the first 5 years, there may be some early repayment fees. Even with a low credit score, you'll still be able to receive financing as it's all backed on the value of your property. All in all, it's a fantastic opportunity to receive additional funds given the high cost of living that you can use towards anything from renovation, purchasing another home, vacation, renovating the property, anything as such that's going to better your lifestyle. And essentially, you don't have to pay anything up front. You still get to live in the property, still get to own the property, and essentially the funds will be deducted as soon as you sell the home or move, and it'll be a seamless transaction. I hope that video was super helpful, insightful, and gives you all the information needed for reverse mortgage. I'm Josh Tavares, Realtor at eXp Realty covering the Greater Toronto Area. It means so much if you can help us out and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on our newly uploaded content. And if you want to know if there's a potential market crash taking place, click the card above. I go completely in depth into the topic taking place right now. Josh Tavares, Realtor at eXp Realty. Thanks so much. Take care.